Saya mau field trip nih. Pakai bus Budiman. Kayak di Indo. Lagi ngantri buat masuk nih, Nak. Nanti ayah rekam lah pas di perjalanan.
Yeah, so it's. Do you know the shopping centre? The Oracle?
Yes.
Yeah, it's just across the road. If you come out of the Oracle at this end,
I see.
you cross the road, and in fact it's just a little bit of a walk. So it's only 5 minutes.
Because I visited many times of to the town center, but I didn't find that exact good thing. I don't know. I've been missing out maybe.
There isn't a huge amount to do in Reading.
Yeah.
Not the most exciting. It is because it's not actually a very big town. I mean, it has about.
Apalagi sejak 2013 kan influencer super senior tuh ya benar juga itu.
Aduh, panas. Sekarang dingin. Nggak kerekam pun. Nggak fokus. Nggak kelihatan pun. Kelihatan nggak ada laut. Ini disebut Jurassic Coast katanya. Jadi pesisir itu kita karena kenapa disebut Jurassic Coast, karena di pintanya itu suka kelihatan suka nemu ini katanya fosil-fosil dari hewan-hewan zaman dulu kan, berbakal hewan-hewan apa laut. Kelihatan ya sini. Tadi udah lewat, kita langsung ke tadi di pesisirnya gitu. Kita udah ke atas nih, menjauh pesisir. Silau Coba tebak, nah sekamar sama siapa? Indonesia.
Indofood.
Tuh, seleraku. Ini kayak inget
Kita nggak punya lemari gitu.
gua asrama di ini. Selain sejarah history of decent housing. Ini Aksa paling suka nih foto-foto ini. Wih, seru juga nih, ada main apa dia? Bisa ini buat bagus ya itu. Bisa lagi nanti buat makan dong. Udah lapar. Lihat nak sarapan ayah. Sarapan. Mau buat makan siang nanti. Dapat ini. Sama ini. Mudah-mudahan kuat lah. Biasanya makan nasi.
But I'll just still need some help just keeping the balloon still. So what I'll need is just a couple of volunteers, just maybe 5 of you, 5 or 6 of you. Just a step forward if you would like to try it, and just stand in a circle here.
It's best if you haven't got any rings with sharp points on them, because if you've got a ring on and it touches the
that's
balloon,
right.
it might burst. So
Oh, before we start as well, is there anybody who has an allergy to
latex.
No. Really big, real soon, and then if the wind starts to come in, it'll start to want to go elsewhere, and you want to basically, just use your palms just to let it, just to sort of hold it still, basically. We've also got like a 1,000 gram weight under there, so basically wait for that to be light enough to actually lift up that kilo weight up above. So we'll get about this big. So you can, if you help, just keep it, come closer,
Just remember when it gets up to the chopper force, it'll be as big as a bus.
Oh wow.
That's bigger than a bus, but the bus is bigger than that.
That's good, yeah. Okay, let's give it a bit of space. Yeah. So let's just put your hand just above it, just above the balloon. Hands on the balloon. So eventually, it'll start to float by itself. We'll grab it. But for now, let's just put it on. Like we're summoning.
See your future.
Give us the data.
Okay, so now I'm going to grab the radio sun because it's been conditioned.
Are we allowed to ask how many times you've let the balloon go without actually rigging it?
Yeah.
You don't have to.
Yeah. So I'm gonna take this. I'll take this, and the wind's coming from
Over there.
that way. It's gonna go that way. So if everyone can go just where my back is, so this way. I'm gonna launch it around that direction. Okay, so yeah, it's quite clear, so I'll actually launch a full string launch.
Oh.
It's still unwinding at the moment.
That's so cool. I think it'd be so fun. Just like floating around and do that.
Keren ya. Ayah masih jalan.
The set exactly 1 nautical mile down the coast. They're mile markers. And when they used to test warships, especially to see how fast they could go, you would sail them along this bit of the coast. And when those 2 posts are in line, like that, you know you're exactly on the start line. Then you get to the other set of posts up the coast, and they're in line as well. That's the finish line, so you can measure
Drag racing warships.
you can measure how fast.
Sapi tuh. Kelihatan nggak sapi? Yang belum direkam lagi tadi. Lihat nggak kebayang ayahnya nanti turunnya kayak gimana? Turunnya, naiknya. Tapi seru. Katanya ada apa? Kolam gitu, ada yang bisa buat berenang. Minimal buat bersihin sepatu lah, yang kotor. Tuh. Ada anjingnya. Don't. Yeah, yeah. Hey, yeah.
Hi.
Wow, that's nice. I think I'm just this way. Okay. Ya, oh, katanya bahaya itunya, gelombang. Nah, Fajar ke bawah juga tuh. That's nice. Gimana? Watch out. Be careful.
Hi. Hold up.
Nah, teman ayah tuh masih turun, susah dia. Itu apa ya? Tuh. Tuh, nak, ini tempat berenangin. Oh, cuman itunya kencang, ombaknya tuh, lihat. Tuh teman ayah lagi berenang tuh. Nah, dia ngajak berenang cuman kayaknya dingin dah. Oh, lihat klipnya tuh. Indah banget. Itu nak, asik, asik. Ini loh nak. Seru tuh. Naik ke puncak. Apa ini namanya? Oh, come on, come on. Sengkipida. I'm tired. It's very exhausted. Penyampaiannya Inggris nih nak. Lihat tuh. Tuh, kelihatan nggak? Kelihatan ya. Itu ada sapi. Tuh, kelihatan nggak? Tuh, ngeliatin ke sini sapinya. Oh, penyampaian Inggris tuh. Kelihatan nggak? Ya. Ya kayak gitu ya. Mirip Harry Potter nggak sih nak? Oh. Mari kita lihat ke sebelah sana.